Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about insurance Europe. So this video will take you this is an important video to discuss about insurance Europe. We'll talk about various news, priorities, publication, events, statistics, and almost health. So today now I am just briefing Qualize Health Insurance Europe. So insurers outline role in ensuring adequate and affordable long-term care coverage and suggest way to develop this further. Insurance Europe has submitted a responsible to the European Commission's call for evidence on access to affordable and high quality long-term care. Insurance already play a key role in many member states by supplementing national healthcare system with provide coverage. This relieves pressure on those systems, and this role could grow in the future. This will be important given Europe's aging population and the challenging it creates in ensuring that EU citizens have access to affordable healthcare in old age. However, for an insurer to be able to play a big role, several conditions need to be met. For insurance, tax incentive could help to ensure that insurance products remain affordable and attractive. Moreover, insurers are keen to explore with authorities how their role could evolve. For example, insurers could serve as gateway to healthcare service, especially those that encourage prevention, awareness, and adoption, which are areas in which insurers have sufficient experience and which are vital to keep healthcare costs affordable. The European Commission could also encourage member states to develop approaches to reduce pressure on health system and promote prevention, healthy lifestyle, and the appropriate use of digital solution. So now I just read the health insurance. So now I want to tell you the taxation. Okay, let's talk about that. European insurer call for refinements to draft EC proposal to implement OECD anti-base erosion rule in the European Union. Insurance Europe has today published its response to a consultation conducted by the European Council on its draft directive for the implementation of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Pillar 2 anti-base erosion rules. The OECD rules aim to ensure large multinational firms pay a minimal level of tax on the income arising in each of the jurisdiction in which they cooperate. The insurance industry share its concern about the draft decision, which relate to 1. The interaction of Pillar 2 with certain domestic tax treatment and the definition of insurance investment fund, which does not reflect insurers' business model. 2. The fact that the introduction of a carry forward or averaging instrument when calculating the effective tax rate would be more appropriate. Third, that the need for simplification to avoid an excessive administrative burden and the rise of compliance cost. And the last, fourth, the fact that the implementation of a sunset clause would allow for fine-tuning and adjustment of the Pillar 2 rules. So this is taxation insurance Europe. So now I just briefing the data protection. So there's a lot of news of data protection, so let's talk about and let's read that. Global group of associations call for swift implementation of new transatlantic data privacy framework, stress importance of data transfer for European Union economy. Insurance Europe, together with a wide group of business associations from around the world, has signed a joint statement welcoming the recent announcement of a new transatlantic data privacy framework. The association called for the swift finalization of a framework that would support responsible for data transfer and enable continued transatlantic commerce. Ongoing certainty related to data transfer has significant economic repercussions for European Union enterprises, exports, jobs, innovation, and SMEs, and undermines the ability of business and government to promote high data protection standards. Improving the legal framework for transatlantic data transfer is vital for Europe's economy. It has been estimated by Digital Europe that if data transfer mechanisms are largely made unstable, the EU stands to lose €1.3 trillion in cumulative economic growth by 2030, as well as 1.3 million jobs. Further detail on such impact can be found in the annex to the joint statement. European Union enterprise in all sectors and of all size rely on their ability to transfer data responsibility around the world. Even more so today, as many have moved their businesses online amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Companies transfer personal data to send business email, process payroll and global force data, work with suppliers, and serve customers around the world. The association highlighted that the central beneficiary of a new framework would, however, be European Union and United States citizens, who will benefit from strengthened personal data protection as new participant companies adopt the privacy control required by the program, and as new governmental commitment on access to data are implemented. So this is the data protection news for today. So now I just going to publication news for in insurance Europe. So I will read one news from publication. So let's read the retail investment. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is okay. Let's talk about the Ukraine crisis. Statement 1. Ukraine. Insurance Europe wholeheartedly condemned the Russian government military action in invading Ukraine. We express our complete solidarity with the Ukrainian people, who are showing incredible strength and bravery during this most challenging of time. A priority for insurance companies with activities in Ukraine is to take steps to ensure the safety of their employees. Representatives from the Ukraine insurance industry have contracted Insurance Europe to outline ways in which our industry can help to support their effort, and we have communicated this to the wider European industry through our members, the National Insurance Association. Many of our member and insurance companies are taking solidarity initiatives to support the Ukrainian people and refugees. Insurance Europe is supporting those efforts by coordinating information sharing between our members. Furthermore, our board has voted to terminate all Russian Insurance Association membership of Insurance Europe. So that's the Ukraine crisis Insurance Europe. So now today we'll talk about another video, another news. So bye, take care of yourself.